Don't let remote working affect your business. KYT's interpretation and translation services can help. Web conferencing and online seminars have been on the rise in recent years due to the growing trend of remote working. However, with the difficulty of providing face-to-face interpretation as before in multilingual conferences, remote communication in business settings, which goes beyond just the words themselves, has become a serious issue. KYT can solve all these problems. KYT's remote interpretation services offer a one-stop solution for both interpreters and equipment, allowing web conferences to be held smoothly anywhere and anytime. We can also provide simultaneous interpretation in Japanese, English, or other languages for global meetings that connect overseas locations, as well as various events and more. Several methods are available, such as hearing the interpreter's voice on a smartphone or mobile phone while you interact on your computer screen, as well as web conferencing and online seminar systems that incorporate interpretation features. We can also add subtitles to your pre-recorded video and provide voiceovers. In fact, since the costs of travel and renting a venue can be reduced, our solutions can actually reduce costs versus face-to-face simultaneous interpretation. In this new era, where remote work is becoming the standard in a variety of business settings, we invite you to take advantage of KYT's interpretation and translation services.